Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for tuning in to another video. So we are in July and it is my birthday month, you guys. I'm like just feeling so good. I'm in such a great space. I am treating myself a lot this month. I have just been spoiling myself, like, girl, relax, okay? Because at the end of this you're gonna regret it. So today I want to talk about this black owned brand called Edge Entity, and this is one of the ways that I have been spoiling myself, more specifically spoiling my hair. Okay, so first I'm just going to show you the products that I have with me, and then I'll get into the benefits and why I'm using them. So Edge Entity is a black owned business. They do focus on edges, retaining your edges, bringing your edges back, things of that nature. They create natural products to help you naturally bring your edges back, and the products also aid in hair growth. So I'm going to go ahead and show you which products I have and which products I will be using. So this is the Edge Entity Follicle Stimulant. And I also got Edge Entity Hair Growth Stimulant Pills. So these are capsules that you take for hair growth. So in my package came a pamphlet just to let me know about the products that I'll be using and how to use them. So I'm going to read just a little bit about this follicle stimulant. So it was created to enhance the development of areas of the hair that are most difficult to grow. It can be used on bald spots, thinning edges, and for overall hair growth. So you don't have to use Edge Entity just for your edges. You can use it if you are wanting longer, thicker, fuller hair as well. So this product is safe for women, men, and children to re-energize and revitalize hair cells. The stimulant is a creamy texture applied twice a day. Most consumers have seen some growth, even if they're little strands, within 2 to 4 weeks. That's quick, 2 to 4 weeks. All right, and so the Edge Entity Hair Growth Vitamins. The Edge Entity Hair Growth Vitamins were created to improve and enhance hair growth by increasing the development and replication of follicle cells. The vitamins are a perfect solution for overall hair growth and strengthening of follicle strands. The capsules are taken by adults twice daily. Okay, so I've actually never used any type of hair growth pills or hair growth stimulants. So this says nourishes hair follicles, supports a healthy scalp, and provides hair with essential nutrients. And this bottle comes with 60 capsules in here, and it also has all the supplement facts on the back, in case you guys are kind of like wanting to know more about what's actually inside of the capsules and what you are taking. So I do see biotin, I see vitamins A, C, D, E, B1, B2, magnesium. There's a lot of stuff in here, you guys, okay? So my advice is that you just read up on this and make sure you're not allergic to anything before you take them. And the same goes for the follicle stimulant, okay? So for this video, I will be applying this follicle stimulant, and it says to apply, dispense a very small amount onto the fingertip and apply to clean scalp or thinning area. Remember that clean scalp doesn't necessarily mean to shampoo your hair daily. However, if edge controls gels or any other substances are used in the areas to apply Edge Entity, clean those areas first. The product will not work on clogged pores, okay? So even co-washes, moisturizers, and leave-in conditioners can clog the pores. The scalp should be free of any substance. Dab gently. Massaging too vigorously is not necessary. Thinning areas are already very fragile, okay? Take pictures to note your progress at the end of each week, and you will be amazed at how even the thinnest and most stubborn areas will begin to grow. So this product is oil-based. It's dispensed as a thick, creamy substance which resembles conditioner, but it dissolves very, very quickly. So please note that an oil-based product may cause oiliness to hair, including extensions or units that may touch your scalp during the use of this product. Okay, So on this little card that was sent on how to use the follicle stimulant, they do have a disclaimer that says Edge Entity is made of natural products, but some people have difficulties with even the most natural substances due to allergies or sensitivities. So that is why I said just make sure you're not allergic to anything before you use these products. Just make sure that these products are for you. So yeah, as you guys can see right now, my hair is just in some regular twists. All I have in my hair is leave-in conditioner that was applied a good like 2 or 3 days ago. So my scalp's pretty clean. I don't have any heavy creams or oils in my hair. All it is just twisted. So my hair is actually in the perfect state to apply this follicle stimulant. So first I'm gonna apply this follicle stimulant while my hair still is in twist, and then I'm gonna apply a little bit more once I take the twist out. So when you open it, it does look like a really thick creamy cream, and it looks just like conditioner, and I can really smell the peppermint oil. So they said just a little bit on the fingertips, and I'm just gonna rub this along my edge line, just like that. Because your edges are the most sensitive part, and you know us curly girls, we love to lay and slay our edges all day long. So it's important that we replenish, you know what I'm saying? It's important that we make sure we're taking care of our edges and showing them just a little bit of extra TLC. And I'm also just going to rub a bit on my scalp as well. And it just melts right into your hair. So I'm going to apply just a little bit more of the follicle stimulant once my hair is untwisted. Alright, so now that my twists are out, I'm going to apply just a little bit more so I can really get into my scalp. So I have just a tad bit, and I'm going to disperse this through all my fingertips. I really want to make sure that I'm getting as much scalp as possible. Also, I forgot that actually a few months ago I had cut a piece of my hair, so you guys can see how short this patch is right here. So I'm definitely going to be putting my follicle stimulant all on this piece. So the last step for this hairstyle is just to separate this and add some body and volume. Alright, so my curls are separated. I have my follicle stimulant in, and my hair is good to go. So I will be using this consistently. I'll be tracking my growth and seeing if there is a difference. I'm also going to take these hair growth stimulant pills, so we will see how it goes. I will keep you guys updated on this journey just to let you know how my hair is doing. So if you are interested in this Black-owned business and you want to see all the products that they offer, I will link their website and social media below in the description so that you guys can check them out, support, and also get your hair growth and edge entity products. All right, so thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.